so welcome to today's new introduction for the brand Kamengo. We will specifically talk today about the fabric, double width fabric. So it will be the presentation perfect for doing your curtain and your sheets. So Kamengo is very well known for the colors. For Kamengo we have of course the neutral colors, but we have very interesting, fresh, luminous and joyful colors. That was the brand DNA is. We offer very fresh and luminous interiors. Also, all the fabrics that we see today, almost all, are washable. So this is a very, interesting thing, so it's easy to care and easy to use. So the first collection that we will discover together is called Nomad. So Nomad, it's an ambience that comes from the desert. We wanted something fresh, warm, like the desert atmosphere. And we have here a 100% natural fabric. So what is very interesting to know is that we have 60% of linen mixed with 40% of cotton. This special natural fabric is very soft, very smooth, and there is a kind of a very interesting technique that we used here called the stone wash. So the stone wash will help the linen fibers to become more soft and light. So the end, we do have something natural, but also a very good hand, with a very good hand. And the second one I wanted to show you is also a natural linen look with 20-30% of linen. The name is Newton. So Newton have a specificity because it's the very authentic fabric with a very large range of colors, as you can see. So here we do have the different tones into the different yarn to have an aspect very authentic and natural. This fabric can also be used for the upholstery because indeed there is 30,000 of Martindale. So I do think that if you are looking for something natural, authentic and easy to care after, you can choose Nomad or Newton. Also, please have a look to the color range. You can see that we have really many nice colors, like the neutral one. We have some things more luminous with a personality, like this sunny yellow. We also have this kind of, the Celadon blue. Celadon is like the very nice lake on the mountain. So it's very peaceful. We also have more deep colors, like this red, and like this, for example, this blue, to add some elegance and very cozy atmosphere. Now I would like to present you two collections that are linen look collection with 100% of polyester yarn. So the specificity of these two collections is that they are yarn dyed. So you do have very nice tones and nuances into the fabric. So the first one is called Anushka. So just here Anushka have different colors into the warp and the weft. That's why you do have this very natural linen look. I would like to show you two references that I like very much because of the colors difference and contrast. You do have, for example, here orange and blue. You have a lot of change, and it's played very well with the light, as you can see. And there is also this kind of, purple with orange also. So this is very original, very trendy, and this is a very design touch when you look at the color change. Collection is Esprit, which means spirit in French. This collection is really a bestseller. This is Esprit number 3. So here, what is very specific is that you have all the neutral colors in double width, and you have the colorful range just here in simple width. With Esprit, you can do some upholstery because there is 40,000 of Martindale. Esprit also have another reference that I would like to introduce to you. It's a simple width, and this is a very, very interesting and colorful fabric because on the weft you do have a colorful yarn that is changing. So the color are changing, and there is a very natural but colorful result. I am very happy to show you this sheer that is really a must-have from Kamengo. You do have a sheer with a perfect linen look, but it's 100% polyester. So actually this sheer, when you compare it with linen sheer next to it, you can really not tell the difference. So we wanted to have a perfect imitation of linen with, you know, something light, soft, very, very nice hand. And what is specific here is the range of colors that is very, very complete. You have, you know, we are all used to have gray, white, etc. But here you have also the opportunity to do colorful interiors with sheers. Also, almost all the fabric that I show you can be fire retardant. So we can have a treatment for you. You can use it for your project, the hotel, offices, everything. Sixth collection is Koh Samui. Koh Samui is a very nice silk look fabric. So here you are with a 100 polyester fabric, but the visual look like a very authentic and natural silk. We do have the horizontal yarn, so the weft, that have a kind of raw aspect. So the raw aspect had more natural to this fabric. You have this wonderful color range, and this is a fabric that is especially good to do some blind. So you can use it as a blind fabric. I have here 3 collections that are all with cotton inside. So these 3 collections are very comfortable, very soft, especially the first one that is 100% cotton. The collection name is Salsa. You have 80 colors, so you have almost 30 neutral and 40 colorful. So with this one you can do a little bit of upholstery also. Next to Salsa, we do have one collection called Biarritz. Biarritz, it's a French peach, and what is very interesting is here you have the touch, the softness of the sand. So when you touch the fabric, it's like if the sand is into your hand, so it's really soft and comfortable. Again, you have the nice colorful range of Kamengo. And the third collection with cotton is called Bruges. Bruges here is with a flamed yarn inside. So this flamed yarn give a little bit of texture, so more texture into this one. Collection is a collection, a velvet collection that is very, very interesting because there is such a nice drape. So when we touch this velvet, it's something that is very, very thin, very soft. The yarn is very short, so we do have a very nice texture. And what is also excellent is the resistance of this velvet. There is 100,000 of martindale on this one. So you can really use it on your project to do upholstery also. Because it's very soft and thin, light, you can do nice curtain also. So you can imagine that you want a very fresh ambience, you will use all the pinks like this, or you want something that is elegant, you can use this kind of red. So here we really have the choice to do upholstery and curtain, very resistant. Then there is something special about this collection. We have 4 references that have a quilted finishing like this. So it's quilted in France. It's all available in the warehouse for the 4 colors. The white, the gray, we have a light blue. It's like a storm blue. And here we have a kind of golden mustard. So we all have in stock. And if you would like to use another color to do this kind of bed cover, you can do it starting from 30 meters. So we will do it for you in France. Also, for this one, the bed cover, you already have a fire resistant on it. So it's already fire resistant. Very, very easy to use. Collection, but not least, is by night. Here we do have a very specific and technical collection. Indeed, this is a time-out collection, as you can see with the logo here. So this is a time-out, but a very performant one, almost a blackout. Why? Because for the darker colors, like the black, the dark gray, or the dark brown, you do have 99% of opacity. So it will not let the light through. So this is very interesting. For the colorful range, it's 98% of dim out. So here you do have a very interesting quality because you know the back is very thin and the waving is very thin, so it will not let the light pass through. So it's not like the fabrics that are blackout with a backing on it. When you do have this kind of backing on it, sometimes it will have some smell. But here, with this technique, you don't have any smell at all. So this is very performant, and also, yeah, you have a good smell into the house. I really enjoyed to present you today all the double width from Kamengo. I hope that you will do wonderful projects with our planes, and please subscribe to the channel and also thumbs up. Thank you.